Let's make Shamrock shake cupcakes. These are cupcake version of the McDonald's shake that we love so much. Peppermint cupcakes with a vanilla shake frosting. It all starts with a white cake mix and 3 large egg whites. You want to keep the color white so that when we dye it, it stays green. So make sure to use a white cake mix with egg whites. And then add 1 cup of water and 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. I'm also adding about 1/4 teaspoon of mint or peppermint extract. I prefer peppermint, but you can use either one that you like, or you can just leave these as vanilla, but that's what gives them the Shamrock shake flavor. Whisk that all together until it's nice and smooth, and then we're going to dye them green so it looks like the shake. So add some green food coloring. You can use gel food coloring or water-based grocery store food coloring. Either one works for this. Then just whisk that until the batter is completely green. And then we're going to bake these as cupcakes. So it's going to make about close to 2 dozen. It just depends. They keep making the boxes smaller these times. So just fill those muffin cups about 2/3 to 3/4 full, and then we're going to bake that. And then while it's baking and cooling, we're going to make a pudding frosting. So this starts with heavy whipping cream. You want to make sure and use heavy cream, 2 cups of heavy cream, because that will make it nice and fluffy and whip up a lot easier. Make sure you're using a cold bowl and cold beaters and cold heavy whipping cream to make it whip up faster. And then I'm adding 4 tablespoons of instant vanilla pudding mix. Make sure you use instant. The vanilla gives it that ice cream vanilla flavor that the Shamrock shake has. So get it all nice. It's going to whip up. This is going to create a stable whipped cream frosting that tastes like ice cream. So once it's all mixed together, then you will frost your cupcakes. You can frost them however you want, but I want it to be high, like at the top of a milkshake, the whipped cream on a milkshake. So I'm using a Wilton 1M tip, topping it with green sprinkles and a cherry. And these are super delicious Shamrock shake inspired cupcakes. In my opinion, they're better than a shake because they're cupcakes and they're so easy to make and delicious too.